Thank you so much, Fabio. I'm going to be wrapping up just shortly. In addition to serving as the strategy lead for EPFL Robotics, I also have the pleasure of serving on the core team of Innovation Booster Robotics. And it's in this capacity that I just want to spend a few minutes to talk to you about the Swiss Robotics Association. Now, as you can tell from the incredible record turnout, record number of participants, record number of exhibitors, and record number of sponsors, our Swiss robotics ecosystem is indeed a growing and thriving ecosystem. And I know that we all want to take that to the next level, which is precisely where the Swiss Robotics Association comes in. Now, it's not a new idea, right? This originated with NCCR Robotics and the incredible work that they've done for so long and just successfully completed earlier this year. And the association now sits within Innovation Booster Robotics as a core mandate and a core deliverable, and will also serve to provide continuity, because the booster will obviously phase out and conclude its mission in 2025, and then this is where the association really picks up to move things forward. So what have we been up to? Well, we've been mapping leading global robotics organizations as well as associations and networks. We've also been mapping national robotics associations. Why? To better understand their value propositions, what kind of services they offer, activities, what are their business models, what are their corporate partnership strategies. And what we've done with all these insights, the insights on the services and the core activities being offered, is to package them into this open survey for the Swiss robotics ecosystem. And that's all of you. It's really important for us that this whole process be inclusive and demand-driven from day one. So this is your opportunity to weigh in on what the priorities of your association ought to be to ensure that we create the value you need. So if you haven't had the chance yet, please snap a picture of this QR code or go to the TinyCC URL. It only takes a few minutes. Your vote counts. We want this to be reflective of the interests and priorities of the entire Swiss robotics ecosystem. Now, of course, we won't be able to do everything right away simultaneously, right? But that's the whole point of this survey, is for you to let us know, in terms of sequencing, what should we be focusing on first to already start building the value that is most important to you. Now, this could include a wide range of offerings, right? Taken from the mapping exercise that we're doing. It could be promotion and advocacy, R&D, could be events and community building, as we're doing here today. It could be driving funding opportunities, as well as standardization efforts. And of course, also market expansion. So why join the association? We have a few ideas, but the whole point of the survey is to reflect that back to you. What do you need us to do? What priorities should we pursue? What specific value should we create to make it indispensable for all of you to join the Swiss Robotics Association? Now, again, we have some ideas. It could be on the industry side, creating rich, high-quality industry data with timely trends analysis. On the academic side, more quality links with industry, students, job opportunities, professional development opportunities as well. And as for startups, as part of the Innovation Booster for Robotics, we've already been building a detailed directory of all the early stage robotics startups here in Switzerland. And we are proactively sharing this list with VCs. VCs are coming to us saying, we need this resource. And so that's something we also could do for the startup members of the association, is take all of that to the next level. So, summary: scan, complete, send, and join. I'm now going to pass it over to my colleague Anka to basically close this morning's sessions and open this afternoon's sessions. Anka?